There's nothing worse than a squeaky windshield.
Wiper, a squeaky noise. No worry, I'll show you. So the first thing, you can just clean them using this thing. Take this thing out, if your wiper squeak, and all you need is this thing. Here, you'll need this thing to rub this thing in here. Here, to rub the rubber over here. You do not need to buy them. Then, instead you can just clean them, and then see what good you got. And you got this thing, and look what you do. And then you got this one right here. Another one. And then you'll get and then you'll get another dirt. You'll get another dirt. Alright, okay, the wiper is already clean. Now it's time to, now let's see how it works. It's better.